In today's review of the Retrospective 4.0, and this is the second edition of it. First off, I want to show you exactly how it looks like compared to me. This is kind of small, but it has a lot of things that you can fit right inside here. It has this buckle over here that you can use, and it also has a strap for you to use as well. The strap is really great for you to put this on your shoulder in case you need a man purse or something like that. So yeah, you can put this on and it looks like this. There was two different colors that it comes with. There was the black one and there was also the olive green edition, which looks really sharp, by the way. Now black goes with almost anything, so you cannot go wrong by getting the black edition here. You can see the first thing about this is how you open it. So opening this up, you can see two different straps for it. Now the way it actually goes, there is two ways for this mechanism to work. One way is for it to have no noise whatsoever, and that is basically to take this right here, those are small things here, and you just pull them out and you put this right back on here. So what it does, there is going to be no more noise, especially if you're going to do photo shoots and you need constant access to your bag. You put this on like this and it just flops on and off. Now if you want to make it more secure, what you have to do is to put this like that, open it up and stick it right into this location right here. As you put this inside, you're going to have one of those straps ready to go. The second one is going to be on the other side. As you can see, there was a second strap over there too. So now one of the straps is going to be used, the second one is not. And you can use two of those straps in case you need this to be ultra secure for you. Next thing is how many different things this thing can actually fit in. So primarily there is a room here for a small camera. For this one, maybe a bigger DSLR would work as well, and with a bigger lens it actually can fit in here. So there is plenty of room here for at least two different small lenses or one lens and a bigger camera. So this is a mirrorless small camera, but you can use any camera that you actually like to stick it all in here. Next thing is what is included over here. So we have this that is arranged by Velcro over here. So what it actually does, you can take them out and you can rearrange them any way you actually want. It also comes with an extra one in case you want to go ahead and put them aside in a different kind of organizations for you. As you can see, this is how it looks like right now, but you can go ahead and change how it looks like any way you actually like, and since it's Velcro, you can take all of them out and it's going to be totally empty, and then you can populate this with whatever you want. The next thing about this is over here. So we have this small little pouch over here. You can open this up and there is a second location that you can stick a few things in here. It also comes with this bag over here. In this bag you have a rain pouch that you can take out and you can put all over the place. In case you don't want the rain pouch over here, there is a location here where you can go ahead and unstrap it out of here and take it out so you have extra room inside. This also comes with a few other compartments for you. So two different small compartments that you can stick things in. There is also a zipper over here as well, so you can store a bunch of stuff also in this location. The construction of this is very well made, and with Think Tank they always over construct things. The biggest question when you're getting this is this actually the size that you actually need to get this for you? Will this fit all your needs or not? If this is the small size, and since it is not this big, it might not actually fit everything that you want. If you're looking for a very small bag that you're going to be taking this around and you don't want to carry a big bag, this actually might work for you. If you're looking for a bigger bag, you have to upgrade and get the bigger version of the same exact thing. It's made out of 100% cotton canvas, so it looks really great. And of course you can go ahead and put this on yourself. The strap over here is adjustable. You can make it much smaller in case you need to. In this case it is too long, but of course you can go ahead and and adjust it and make this much more different in case you want to. So for example, in this specific case, what we're going to be doing is going ahead and changing how it's going to be going down, and then we're going to be switching this up, and it's going to give us a different kind of ability for you. So eventually you want to strap it like this if in case you want to, or any other way that you like. Overall, I think this is a pretty good bag for what it is, and if you're looking for a bag just like this and you are on the fence trying to figure out which is the right size for you, it really comes down to that, because it is very well made and it looks kind of great as well. I think the black one works with almost any kind of color, but of course if the green one is the one you desire, go ahead and get that one instead. But both of them look really professional. The black one looks very professional. It looks small, and above all, it doesn't look like a camera bag. So nobody will be like, oh, this is a camera bag, let's go ahead and steal it. Well, it's not. You can't tell what it is. It just looks like a Lego bag, and therefore this is really nice. So whatever you think, make sure you get yours, because if this is something you're thinking on the fence about, do not. Go ahead and get it, and you'll really enjoy it.